Welcome to the Minecraft Society Sunlit server setup, 60 seconds, step by step. Step 1, Prerequisites. Install Java 17 and ensure 4 GB of RAM and port 25565 open. Run sudo apt update and in sudo apt install openjdk17jrey. Download the server jar and start it for the first time. Example, git sunlit-server.jar https://example.com/sunlit-server.jar then java xms2g xmx4g jar sunlit-server.jar nogi. Accept the license, open eula.txt and set eula equals true. Command, set is/eula equals false/eula equals true/eula.txt. Configure basics in server.properties, set server port equals 25565, online mode equals true, MOTD equals sunlit server. Save and restart the jar. Open the firewall and forward the port, sudo of allow 25565/TCP. If behind a router, forward TCP 25565 to your server IP. Install essential plugins by placing jars into the plugins folder. Example, git p plugins https://example.com/essentialsx.jar. Tune performance, set view distance equals 8 and spawn protection equals 16 in server.properties, and use Java flags XX, plus use G1 GC XMX4 G XMS2G. Create a systemd service at /etc/systemd/system/minecraft.service with exec start pointing to Java XMS2G XMX4G jar/opt/minecraft/sunlit-server.jar nogi, then reload systemd. Enable and start the service, sudo systemd daemon reload and in sudo systemd enable now Minecraft. Test by joining at your IP 25565 in Minecraft and confirm the MOTD and welcome message in chat. Final tips, schedule daily backups with tar czf backups/backup $date plus %f.tar.gz world and monitor logs with journal to Minecraft F. You're live.